Hey everybody, Father's Day is right around the corner, so in honor of Father's Day today, our weekly little video is going to be about some man cave renovations that will make your dad, any wannabe dad, any unwannabe dad, drool. So we know that our guys are spending a lot more time at home now than they ever did before. Life has changed a little bit since the Rona, and so we've got some great man cave ideas. Now, obviously, not all of these are going to work for everybody, but just to get your creative juices going, maybe something that you can whip together really fast before Father's Day for the man in your life. So, if you have a space somewhere in your home that might be suitable to sort of do a quick little reno on, here's some fun ideas for you. Okay. So idea number one, the arcade. All right, do you have a basement or a den or something that's not living up to its potential? Maybe you could add a bar or an arcade or something. You can always have a little beer cooler or a little, soft drink cooler off to the side, and maybe even find yourself online some of those old vintage arcade games, or just set up their gaming station in there. So turn a room into an arcade, okay? Kind of piggybacking off of that same idea a little bit, but not really. Idea number two is a sports bar. So if you have a sports lover in your house, you could decorate a cute little area, man cave area, with a television, with some sports memorabilia, posters, those kinds of thing. It'll always be a lot of fun, and just highlight some stuff from some of their favorite players. Okay, number three. If you have the sophisticated man in your life, let's talk about the sophisticated man cave. So if your dad or your guy is not really into sports, maybe they're a little bit more sophisticated, maybe they're that guy that likes to sit down and still read the paper, or has a little bit of a library, something like that. So how about a really nice comfy reading chair, a little table maybe to do a crossword puzzle on, something. Just make it a little bit more masculine. So a leather theme or darker colors or something like that. Concrete walls are even a really cool thing right now. So there's some great ideas out there, some design ideas out there, but do like a sophisticated man cave search and you'll find some really fun ones. All right, idea number four, the pool hall. I'm going to, in honor of my brother-in-law Reed, also suggest that you can pool hall / ping pong table hall. My brother-in-law Reed loves him a ping pong table. So if you want the feel of a pool hall or maybe kind of a ping pong vibe, you can absolutely turn your man cave into that. Remember, the overhead lighting for the pool table is really, that's that signature statement. So that's the thing. But that would be a lot of fun. Again, have that little mini fridge, or if you've got the little sports bar theme going on, you can combine the two, all kinds of stuff. But just if you do something like that, don't be surprised if that becomes the neighborhood gatherings point. Okay? All right. Idea number five, the Sportsman's Lodge. For your outdoorsman guy, this could be a dream man cave. They've got those really fun wallpaper pieces that are like of forest scenes and stuff like that. So that could be really fun. Putting in all the, just little decorative pieces. So as with any man cave, TV, pool table, bar, all those kind of things, they can all be wrapped in together, and it's the little details that make it themed one way or the other. All right. And here is the ultimate, the home gym. All right, it's a little different than most man caves. Actually, the whole family can utilize it. It's great. But if you have a great space that you can turn into a home gym, and you have a guy in your world that loves to work out, this would be the ultimate. So, you guys, we hope you found this fun little list of the ultimate man cave experiences for the guy in your life for Father's Day, in honor of Father's Day. So we hope you'll use them as some inspiration for a gift for your next reno project. Or hey, if you need a house that needs one of these rooms, let us know and we can help you with that as well. Hey, thanks you guys. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Have a great week, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.